Y'all, I know y'all seen these nails on Instagram before. Well, I'm here to show you how you can do it yourself. Super easy, cheap, affordable, all that and so much more. So if you are interested in how I got this look and how you gonna get this look, just keep on watching, girl. Okay guys, so let's just jump right into this Gershion liquid gel unboxing. You guys, when I say that I love this product, that is what I mean. So this is just like a thank you for your order card, and this is just like the steps that it takes, like, you know, whatever. But I was taken back when it said cure for 3 to 5 minutes. I don't know, maybe I don't really read the instructions, but I was like, 3 to 5 minutes, that's kind of a long time. But I'm just showing you like the different colors and like the consistency of it all. Y'all, listen, when I say that this costs $40 off of Amazon, and the bottles, like, they did not, I don't know, because I was thinking, like, you know, because it's on the, I guess, the cheaper end, that it was going to feel like it was on the cheaper end. No, these bottles were, like, sturdy. Like, even if it said it was $60, I definitely feel like it would be worth it. Like, this purple, by the way, is my favorite color. Yes, I really love the purple. But I was just like, okay, packaging, okay, quality, come through. So, yes, I definitely loved it. And I wanted to do an ombre. Well, I did do an ombre, but I was actually kind of nervous about this color because I felt like maybe it was too light to actually do a blend. But it actually worked out. Okay, so let's talk about application. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we all seen the videos of like the Polygel kits with the spatulas and the slip solution and all that good stuff. And I'm pretty sure we also seen on Instagram how like there'll be a nail video of a girl like applying what it looks like to be gel, and she'll go like in a back and forth type motion. I'm like, okay, so this is my first time working with this, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna just like kind of apply it like a nail polish where you like see me like kind of patting it on, and it was cool, it was working, no problem. But then I just like, it wasn't really working, so eventually I started doing like the back and forth, like I guess a sweeping motion. And baby, when I say that I really like super duper really love this product, that's what I mean. Because it's like, okay, you don't need the extra stuff to get, like, it's not hard to work with. Like, it's really like, you see me sweeping back and forth like side to side, and then it's just like the product like goes literally from side to side where it needs to go, and then I just like swipe down to get like it off, and then I will wipe the sides to keep the shape or whatever. But like, you know, like, I don't know, like with some other kits, like you need the slip solution, or you need the spatula, or you need the extra brush, where it's like, you know, we're all coming out of quarantine. We all need every dollar that we can get. And it's like, you know, sometimes you don't want to spend, you know, your extra dollars. Maybe you want to keep it to yourself. I really do not feel like you would go wrong with this. Even if you just, you can't go wrong. I really don't feel like you can go wrong. All you need is this kit. Like, that's it. Listen, I stand by this kit. Okay, and I was like, okay, now this is, let's get back to the video. This was my first time trying to do an ombre with a gel, and I'm like, I've seen like, you know, some clips, videos or whatever, where you use a brush and you just like blend the two, and I was like, okay, cool, like, you know, that's what I'm doing, just going back and forth, no real problem. But what I noticed was like, I felt like just because it was a practice hand didn't mean that I didn't need to like build the structure or make sure it was like if this was a real person, would the nails last? And I was like, probably not. So I actually did all the fingers, and then I went back for a second round to make sure I actually blended, like, so you couldn't see the nail tip. Or so I felt like, okay, if this was a real life person, this would be cool. Now, I guess the only thing I will say that's possibly, I don't even say a negative, but just be aware of, is that you have to be aware of your finger position, because if not, then it will run down and then you'll just have a blob at the tip, like kind of like what you just saw. I swear to you, that's probably the only negative that I can come up with. Like this product was, it was amazing. I wasn't mad that I spent $40. I'll tell you that. And so basically, I'm just doing this the same thing for each finger, but I did cure each finger for like a minute and a half, just so everything will sit still and wouldn't move, because I was really taken back with the whole 3 to 5 minutes. Now granted, I don't really be reading the instructions, so it probably says 3 to 5 minutes on everything, but I just happened to read this one time. I don't know, whatever the case may be. So that's what I did for each finger. And then when I went back for the second coat, I still did like a minute and a half for each finger. And then when I was like done with the application, I think I like cured that bad boy for like 6 minutes. Like, y'all, like, cause I was like, oh my gosh, like the blend is coming out right. It's actually working. I'm like, yes. But y'all, like, I mean, here's the video. Y'all can see everything. Now, I will say, the only color that I guess was like, let me hurry up and like get done with it, was the purple. I don't know why. I don't know. Like, the purple color, I don't want to say gave me a hard time, because that's definitely not what I'm saying. But the purple was like, I don't know how to explain the purple, but I was kind of sad because the purple was my favorite color. But it's nothing like, oh my gosh, it's nothing dramatic. Like, it's probably just was me. Okay. And then I guess the other thing, like, that I wish about this kit was that I wish the red was more of a pink than a red. I just did not like the red color. I don't know. I just did not like it. And you probably can't do a pink. I don't know, but I just do not like the red. That's the only thing that I wish that was different about this kit. The only thing. But I'm gonna let you guys finish the video or watch the video. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a hot 2 seconds. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So if y'all see, the nail tips kind of fell out, and that's because I wiped them down with alcohol. Because if you don't, then it's still going to have like a sticky layer to it. Like, I guess it's like a barrier that you have to wipe away or some madness like that. I don't know. But I'm just filing, shaping, and buffing. Now this is how much I stand by this product, because I mean, me personally, I didn't use a drill, and if you don't have a drill, you can still like get away with it. Just use a file. The file I'm using is 80 grit. It doesn't come with the kit, but you can still use the file that comes with the kit. Like, when I say you really don't need nothing extra outside of just this kit, that's what I mean. Like, okay, come on. Like, you can go to an Asian shop and get your nails done for $40 one time, or you can go to Amazon, buy this, get the pastel colors, because pastel is in, and do this stuff on your own. Get you some rhinestones, and boom, you spent $40 one time, but you can get your nails done multiple times. Come on now. You can't beat that. Okay? And you can do it on your own. But, okay, so after I have filed and buff, okay, I wipe it down with alcohol to get rid of the dust. You can wipe your hand, or you can also do alcohol. Not acetone, alcohol. And then I did rhinestones. So, basically, I personally use the top coat because this is a practice hand. She's not going out in the real world. But if you were going out in the real world, maybe use some like nail glue to make sure the rhinestones don't move. But I just used the top coat that came with the kit, put the rhinestones on, and put it in the, the UV light. Now, when it's a real person, I do the 4 fingers first, and then I do the thumbs last so that they can actually sit up flat. Like, I have them put their hand on the edge of the table so that their thumb is sitting up, so it actually gets cured. And then I just did the green finger last because that was the one with the cuticle bling, but I guess I didn't catch that one. And then on this practice hand, I basically cured each finger because it was going to move around. But that's neither here nor there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all can comment down below the type of videos that y'all want to see, what you want me to do, things of that nature, okay? But, yeah. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Check out these nails. Listen, you can get the same look at home. Do it yourself. Super easy. Y'all saw what I did, so I know you can do it. You know how to paint nails. Boom, paint it on. Okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.